Ladies, parents, and friends, if you are looking for the coolest, reasonably priced gift for that man in your life, this is it. Don't say again that you don't know what to get them because you have no idea what they'd like. Every boy will love this. Let me show you this. Check out this cool knife. Actually, there's a link down below. There might even be a thing on the screen to buy it, but there is a link in the description for sure where you could go get this perfect gift for somebody. Remember to like, follow, and subscribe while you're down there. It is stainless steel, has this cool curve, has this finger hole here which lets you have a really good grip. You could do anything with this knife. Actually, it's of Indonesian descent, this design, and it's really for general purpose, general use. I don't think you want to cut up your steak with it, but if you have any boy who's like, you're like, I don't know what to get him. Obviously, it has a clip for your belt. You could get them this. Stainless steel, will last forever, and I promise you, they will go like this, be like, oh, this is the coolest thing ever. I can't believe you got this as a gift for me. I'm telling you this right now. This thing is absolutely awesome. ///. I hope this has been helpful. Actually, I know this is helpful. You cannot go wrong with this. We will see you next time.